Most beginners lose 80% of their portfolio in the first year, not because of the market, but because of these 7 avoidable mistakes. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to tokns.fi. It's 2026, and while the blockchain landscape has evolved, the way beginners make costly mistakes remains surprisingly the same. Today, we're breaking down the critical errors that wipe out new investors so you can protect your capital and actually grow your wealth. Between our deep dives at coherencedaddy.com and our research into the TX ecosystem, we've seen exactly where people go wrong. The FOMO trap and poor entry. Mistake 1 is chasing the green candle. When you see a coin pumping on social media, that's usually the time to stay away, not dive in. Mistake 2 is failing to dollar cost average. Buying all in at the top is a recipe for disaster. Instead of gambling, use a strategic approach to entries to lower your average cost over time. Security failures, the free money myth. Mistake 3, storing everything on an exchange. If you don't own your keys, you don't own your crypto. Mistake 4, falling for airdrop scams. If a project asks for your seed phrase to verify your wallet, it's a scam every single time. We always recommend hardware wallets and double-checking contracts, especially when interacting with new DeFi protocols, ignoring fundamentals and ecosystems. Mistake 5, investing in ghost projects with no utility. A cool logo isn't a business model. Mistake 6, overlooking the power of an integrated ecosystem. Many beginners buy random coins instead of looking at how layers interact. For example, studying the TX ecosystem shows you how social connectivity and blockchain utility actually create long-term value. The revenge trade and emotional exit. Mistake 7, revenge trading. Trying to win back a loss by doubling down on a failing asset is the fastest way to zero. Emotional volatility leads to selling at the bottom and buying at the top. The most successful investors in 2026 are those who treat their portfolio like a business, not a casino. Avoid chasing pumps and start DCAing. Secure your assets off exchanges and ignore fake airdrops. Focus on utility and ecosystems like the TX ecosystem rather than hype. Crypto is a marathon, not a sprint. If you avoid these 7 mistakes, you're already ahead of 90% of the market. If you want to master the markets and stay updated on the latest blockchain tech, hit that subscribe button. Smash the like button if this saved you from making a costly mistake. Which of these mistakes have you made in the past? Let us know in the comments below.